We've all done it before. You click that link and watch the motion design piece. As soon as it's done, you hit play again and again. Somehow this one piece just stands above the rest. But why? Why this one more than anything else you've seen in ages? As motion designers, we've seen it all. We consume endless amounts of content, hunting for inspiration, looking at references sent by clients, yet somehow, every once in a while, something cuts through the noise. The one thing underpinning any and every bit of great motion design is design. And I'm here to teach you all of its secrets. An understanding of figure-ground relationships, a mastery of contrast in all of its forms, effortless color palettes that seem to sing with emotion, all part of the design fundamentals that power the best of the best. If you've spent a career wondering why practice and hard work isn't taking you to the next level, there are some important core fundamentals that every motion designer working in the industry should know. Whether you just learned Cinema 4D or you've been setting keyframes for years in After Effects, this course is for you. This class is a little different than most School of Motion courses. We're going to take you back, and I mean way back, to the time of cave painters to uncover design secrets that have been part of our DNA from the start. And then we'll learn how to take advantage of the ways the human mind filters and categorizes what the eye collects. From client brief to example projects, you'll learn and practice the fundamentals that will teach you how to create clarity and meaning out of the blank page or screen. You'll be working with shape, type, color, and form in both the abstract and with supplied photo assets. Together, we'll look at great works of art, uncovering the techniques that give them meaning, and then adopting those techniques in our own work. I have put together hours of in-depth videos pulled from my entire career, and I have packed this course with extra resources like PDFs and podcasts with some of the best guests from around the industry. If you're ready to wield design as well as your other instruments of MoGraph magic, contact us if you have any questions about the class or our curriculum. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class.